Hey everyone, in this course, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know to start trading Cardano native assets on the ecosystem itself. So a lot of these tokens, a lot of these projects don't have listings on centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. And because of that, you have to take a step further and start trading on the Cardano blockchain itself. And Minswap is the biggest decentralized exchange on the Cardano ecosystem with the most liquidity as well. And I'll talk about that in this course. But in this course in general, I'll take you through how to set up your wallet and set up securely so you can start trading on Minswap, and all of the different trading features, including stop losses and how to take profits on the platform as well. So this really detailed course will take you through all those different aspects. I'll also take you through things like governance and how to actually participate within the Cardano ecosystem via Minswap. There's lots of really cool things here that I'll take you through. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll take you through all of those different aspects.